Hey everybody, it's 38 and cold drizzly rain here in Baldwin, Michigan, but I am going to take my beast out for a little ride. Not very far, but just to have a little fun. There she is, looking pretty. I already started her up, so this is... I let it run for about 5 minutes and she is running sweet, so... take her for a little ride. I'll catch up with you when I get back, because I'm not going to go that far anyway. Bye for now. Talk to you later. Okay, I got her back in the stable. Didn't go for much of a ride, but it was well worth it because I needed my fix. So, anyway, just going to do a walk around just to give everybody a little look-see. Not very much. And there's my 4x4. Maybe I'll do a little four-wheeling on my way out of here. All right. Talk to y'all later. Have a good evening. Be safe. Bye.